hangs low on the courthouse wall. Whispers curl where the pines stand tall. They've been running this county like a card game in the dark, shaking hands behind the courthouse, leaving quiet little marks. Thought their secrets were buried where no sunlight ever hits, but they never planned for someone who could read between the beats. They say she's just a widow, she won't make a fuss, but I learned long ago never to bet against us. 'Cause they didn't see the storm coming, didn't hear the thunder roll. Thought they had it all tied up in a backwood good old boy hole. But I walked in with a binder and a truth they can't outrun. Yeah, they didn't see the storm coming, now look who's coming undone. They've been passing down the tower like a hand-me-down code, singing legacy and last names, kept them safely afloat. But I traced every timeline, every gap, every life, and their whole little kingdom started trembling inside. They say it's emotional, she'll break under heat, but I showed up surgical, steady on my feet. 'Cause they didn't see the storm coming, didn't feel the ground soft roll. Thought they locked the whole town up in their backwoods good old boy hole. But I walked in with a binder and a truth they can't outrun. Yeah, they didn't see the storm coming, now look who's coming undone. I ain't swinging punches, I ain't raising my voice, just letting every fact speak loud by choice. They built their little empire on that's just how it's done. But a woman with receipts is worth 1,000 of their sons. No, they didn't see the storm coming, didn't know the wind could shift. Thought they'd keep the upper hand with a wing and a backroom gift. But I walked in like a quiet fire, justice had begun. Yeah, they didn't see the storm coming, now look who's coming undone.